is magically swept away from her apartment by a whirlwind of glitter. Lily travels through a shimmering, kaleidoscopic tunnel